These are the elevators in the historic Sterling Tower in downtown Toronto.
I'm gonna guess these were modded by Fujitech, but I could.
I'm not sure what these were originally, but this is a historic office building. This is like one of the oldest skyscrapers in Toronto. We got a mad mod. It used to be something vintage, obviously. 21, 9 plus 10. Oh, not where we want to go. I'm wondering if these were either Otis or Turnbull originally.
Yeah.
The door track makes me think Otis, but I don't know for sure.
Mad fixtures. Sorry. Now it has an arrow because it's a single digit. Love 2-speed doors.
These are enormous 2-speed doors too.
And they don't even open fully. Though.
Watch this. See a look at that.
Alright. Are you taking another ride?
I'm just looking at the buttons.
I think these were Otis.
Yeah, these are Otis. I can tell by the interlock. That sucks. These probably used to be Autotronic.
Alright, there it goes. That's it.